Well, I did a video earlier today or this morning about layoffs and the letter going out from the UAW, advising people at Sterling Heights Assembly that people were getting laid off, and it was like effective immediately, bang. They're getting robocalls on their phone. The union didn't even get an opportunity to reach out and talk to their people. Well, we got more layoffs coming to the Warren Assembly. I can't believe this, man.
For the longest time. Whoa. For the longest time.
Percocet, Miley Percocet, Percocet, Miley Percocet, represent, gotta represent.
What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. We got more layoffs at Stellantis, and I just did a layoff video already today. So that was at Sterling Heights Assembly. This one is coming out of Warren. The initial numbers, or the initial thought, was it was going to be between 100 to 150 workers. The numbers that I'm hearing now from sources inside the company are closer to 200. That doesn't sound like, I know some people will be like, that's not a lot, but it's more layoffs. When we're looking at the cumulative number of people that are laid off today, it's literally nonstop with Stellantis. They're constantly doing this. And these are not temporary layoffs. These layoffs are indefinitely. And this is for the Warren stamping plant. If you don't know what the stamping plant is, or what stamping does, is it's where they take the metal, the steel or aluminum, whatever it is that they're making, and they stamp it with a press or machine. They make the fenders and the different parts for the car, for the assembly. So that's interesting. It just never ends, man. I saw there was some rumors going on about this yesterday, that there could be some layoffs coming to Warren on this. So I reached out to my source at Stellantis to see if they were looking at laying off more people there. And they were able to tell me this morning, yes, I got a message back that said, yeah, it's probably closer to 200 people. Never ends with this company, I swear. And I get why they're doing it. Carlos Tavares is doing everything he can to save every dollar to try to pump that stock, to be like, hey, you don't need to replace me. Look how good the stock's doing. And that's why I think they let that information out yesterday to say that they're looking for a successor, because nobody likes this mofo, man. Nobody likes this guy. This guy's the biggest pompous ass ever in the auto industry. Nobody likes this guy at all. All right? I'm a race car driver. I'm a this. So my arrogance. No. Please, miss me with that shit. You don't know how things work here. You effed it all up. Now your money is down, and the billionaire families that are behind, Peugeot and Fiat and Ferrari, they're pissed. PSA and Exor ain't happy about what you've done with the American brands that were lining their pockets. So, time to pay the piper, bro. I can't wait. I hope they buy this SOB out and get them out of the way. And I sincerely hope that the union guys get their president out of the way. Get two fresh people in there that can make some common sense friggin' decisions, man. Because what's going on right now, you're gonna see videos probably every week of me talking about more people getting laid off here, more people getting laid off there. And it's ridiculous. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Give the video a big thumbs up if you like what I do. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, stay petty, my friends.